Hi everyone, just back to unbox a, I don't know what they're creeping into the side of my shot. I don't want to do editing afterwards. I've got another DVI cable here which I bought. Now this one is called the brand is called STOUCHI. I don't know where they come with these names. It's a 2-meter cable. I'm not expecting anything fancy here. There's not going to be much to say. Let's see if I can... $13 for a 2-meter cable. So it's supposed to do, like same with the other one, supposed to be 8K. The reason I'm changing to these DVI cables, one of my monitors is 4K, and I've got a little adapter which goes from DVI to HDMI, and that is just not, that keeps it at 1080p, so I'm going to use the proper DVI cable rather than some adapter. The price is now quite cheap of these. They used to be expensive years ago, but yeah, so we'll just get this out and have a quick look. I don't expect there to be anything exciting in this box. There we go. I think this would be a pretty straightforward little unboxing. Yeah, so these are different to HDMI. Okay, well, you get a couple of other things in here. What do you get here? Oh, you can even register your product if you want to. That's quite interesting. If we were going to register a cable, I don't know why we'd do that, but anyway. You've got a manual. Well, you know, yeah, a manual to use a cable. If you need a manual, maybe you shouldn't be doing this. Probably could have been $1 cheaper if they didn't provide all that. But anyway, there's the cable. Comes with a twisty tie on here. I don't know why they put a twisty tie when they also give you one of these little Velcro businesses. But anyway, that's what they've done. And I don't know who does these twisty ties up. Sometimes they seem to be twisted both ways. But anyway, this cable doesn't feel as thick as the other one or as stiff. So yeah, what I was saying, it doesn't really matter what they look like or feel like on the outside. It's more to do with the quality of the cable and the connections inside. This one's definitely not as stiff as the other one, even though it was dearer, but it is longer as well. But I'm not expecting it to have any drama. It does say on there 8K, so it should do my 4K monitor without any issues. I would hope. Might just stick that on there. I don't like those things, but yeah, anyway, if it's necessary, I'll add a comment. If I have any problems, you can look up these names. I bought these on Amazon. You can get them eBay. Even I noticed the place where I got my last monitor sells the cables quite cheap too. Actually, probably even cheaper than Amazon, and they're a retail place. So yeah, these days there's no reason to be using expensive adapters. And the cards now, they used to come with more HDMI ports. Now there's quite often they just got the DVI ports. So may as well go straight to that. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've got any comments or anything, you can put them down below. If there's anything you want to ask, feel free to ask. If you got any value out of it at all, you can like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.